Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you the best audio settings for a budget PC or low-end PC for using Streamlabs to stream. So this is going to be very short. Audio settings doesn't really matter when it comes to a low-end PC or a budget PC. You just need to make sure, let's click settings here. You just need to make sure that you are at stereo. Low-end PCs can do that. You don't need to change the sample rate. 44.1 kilohertz is fine. And you need to make sure that every other port here is disabled. All you need is your desktop PC, which is pretty much your in-game sound, right? Your desktop sound, and your auxiliary or mic device 1. So this is where you're going to choose your microphone that you use to stream. So after that, you go to output, audio jack, make sure that it's just 1, because again, if you do 2, well, that's going to add a bit more stress or pressure, which you don't need. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like that. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.